This explains the process of recovering the data for any TDS regular return by importing it from the Conso file downloaded from traces. The system also supports import using the .txt file that was used for generating the FVU file. Click on Regular Return. Click on Import from TDS file or Consolidated Statement. Select the financial year, quarter, and form number for which the TDS data has to be imported. Select the company for which the TDS data needs to be imported. In case the company is not in the list, select Create New Company, which will create a company, and thereafter, import the TDS data. Select the TDS file, which needs to be imported. Whenever TDS data is imported, the master information about the company is always created, if not available. To import the TDS data, ensure the transaction import is selected. By unselecting this, only the company information will be imported. Click on Import. Click on Yes. Once the data is successfully imported, click on OK. The system gives you the option to view the TDS data that has just been imported. You may view it. The process of recovering the TDS data is now complete. Once done, click Exit from 26Q. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.